Hi everybody, welcome back to the kitchen and another AeroGarden update. I actually had to double check what day this update was. It's day 17. So we've got 16 days planted, 17 days since the very beginning of unboxing and getting the AeroGarden set up. If you've been following along, you've seen the progress. We've got mostly everything growing and sprouted now. Still waiting for the mint. Let's check it out today though. There might be a little bit of action there maybe. But again, so just for everybody, thanks for joining for the channel. If you are new here and you want to follow along how the AeroGarden is growing these herbs, we're going to be using them for recipes in upcoming live streams on this channel. We do live streams Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So it would be great to have you join along and join us in one of our live streams. We usually have a lot of fun. You can join the live chat, ask cooking questions, ask recipe questions, banter with the regulars that join on. So it'll be fun to have you on. There's a good group of people that do join for the most part every time. So it's great to see everybody there, and it would be great to see if you are new, come on and join a live stream in one of the upcoming ones. So hit the subscribe, hit the notification, you'll get notified when new videos get posted. And I am doing the series on this AeroGarden. I do a daily update up until we're gonna start harvesting this thing. So let's go and jump in and take a look and see where we are today, day 17. Okay, this is day 16 planted. 17th day was, first day was unboxing the setup. So we've been planted for 16 days and we have 12 more days before we have to give more of the liquid plant food for the AeroGarden. So let's take a look and see where things are. Everything's been basically sprouting, except our mint, and that's kind of, I guess, a running. The mint is not happening, but we'll see. We'll see if anything does go. So obviously the clear leader. This is the dill in the back. We're gonna have to probably start trimming some of this in the next little bit. So we'll probably have a recipe for some dill, I would say, in about a week or so. But you can see from even comparing yesterday, we've got lots more of the sprigs starting to sprout up and grow, and that one is definitely growing quite quickly. The next one here is, this is the Thai basil. So that's even, we've got some more sprouts kind of coming on the bottom. So that's really going to start to grow in the next week or so. And the next one there as well, we've got the Genovese Basil. This one I'm looking forward to is cooking some Italian dishes from my new Italian cookbook. So that one is growing quite nicely. And we've got our curly parsley starting to come up there. You can see the first sprout almost above the little hole in the paper there. So we'll keep that dome on until it gets to the top there. And we have the thyme taking its time, but it is growing there quite slowly, but it's going. And our friend the mint, is just nothing happening there. And I had a funny comment on my Facebook from someone saying the mint is a disappointment. So disappointment. That might be the title, I think, of the video today. But we'll see. I tried to take a look. I had someone else comment to look for in the bottom to see roots coming out of the mint, because you can kind of see, you might not be able to see on the camera, but there is roots kind of coming from the other herbs, the basil and the dill. And he had asked me if I saw any roots coming out of the pod for the mint, and I don't yet. So I'm not sure if anything's happening with the mint. I've tried to poke my finger in there and see if I could see anything green coming up, but there's just nothing. Just a disappointment. All right, there we go. That's our update for today. We've got a lot of action going here. It's getting kind of exciting every day. I look at it and check it first thing in the morning, make my coffee, check the herbs, and it's kind of neat to see how much everything is actually growing overnight, except the mint, but that's okay. We'll see what happens with that one. I'll have to start to do a bit of research with some dill, because I think that's going to be the herb that we're going to harvest first. So if anybody has any ideas on a recipe that uses dill that they'd like to maybe see in an upcoming video, leave me a comment about that below. I have some salad, some like cold cucumber dill salad recipes that I've tried before that are quite good, we might use for that. But if you have an idea of something that you would want to see maybe on the channel, let me know, and we will get it worked in with one of the harvest up. Thanks for joining, everybody. If you are new and aren't subscribed, make sure you do subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and hit the thumbs up. It always helps out the channel and it lets me know that you like this video. I have a whole series on this AeroGarden growing right from day one of the unboxing to setup, and I will have it in a playlist, which I will have linked above, but I will also leave it at the end of this video so you can check out the whole playlist. Until tomorrow, have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow and on the next live stream.